Part 2.
Yeah. Australia is good. They got Tony. Australia is good. Yeah. This the highest they ever let a team score. This the highest they ever let a team score. This the highest they ever let a team score.
That is team.
I know. Well, it's not his team.
It's just Australia.
Yeah.
They playing. They got.
Dellavedova is not the star player.
And the Minnesota Vikings are killing us, and our defense is probably playing like the worst team in the league right now. So Derek Carr gets a nice pass here. We finally get a good first down. We move the ball in the middle as the
Part 2
is finally coming along for us. First and 10 with 2 minutes left. We run that halfback screen. Isaiah's got some room. Picks up a few yards, but again, they are already there. Anthony Barr gets a nice tackle. 2nd and 5. Isaiah's going to run in motion. Going out to the right, and Derek Carr overthrows us. Or maybe Isaiah just didn't really jumping up, but we're going to blame Derek Carr in that one. So we turn the ball over again. So we're starting the 3rd quarter down 28 now. I don't know if we need to come back from this. This needs an incredible amount of offenses. Nothing has been clicking. Derek Carr and Isaiah feel like they're on 2 different pages. Isaiah really isn't getting the rushing yards that he needs. He's probably under 30 rushing yards at this point. Trying to break one out to the right hand side. We get a decent amount of yards, but again, 6 rushes. Looks like 28 or so yards. Not good for Isaiah. 3rd and 8. Trying to get 30 in there. Isaiah's running a nice little route. Derek Carr doesn't throw it to him. What are you doing, Derek Carr? Harrison Smith gets a sack. The Vikings are kind of ridiculous right now. So we move on to the 4th quarter. It is 42-0. I literally don't know how we can come back. I feel like we're just fighting for our respect. I don't want to get shut out. At this point, we realize that we're not going to win the ball game.
Dang, 42-0.
Time left to score enough points to actually win. So we're just going to fight, try and get first down, at least get a field goal, hopefully get a touchdown. This is really embarrassing. So 5:41 left. Derek Carr throws another one down the middle, and it's a nice completed pass. Finally, he gets a completed pass. He's only 9 for 15 for 66 yards. That's not good at all. Derek Carr rolls out to the right. He has Isaiah and throws it way too late. What are you doing, Derek Carr? Another incompletion, another missed opportunity for the Oakland Raiders. So 4th and 10, we're going for it because you know what? We have to try and score. And luckily for us, Derek Carr gets a 19-yard completion here. You can see him turning around. He must have eyes in the back of his head because that makes no sense. But Lee Smith comes up. It's a nice, good reception. So 2nd and 10 now. On the 20, in the red zone. Isaiah gets the ball up the middle. Gets taken down after a few yards. We'll take anything. Only 42 rushing yards on the game so far for Isaiah. It's been an abysmal effort. Running the play action here. Derek Carr dropping back.
Okay.
Nice block. Derek Carr throws the ball. Derek Carr gets hit. And folks, Derek Carr is down, and he's injured. So that's not a good look. We're going to have Christian Ponder as our starting quarterback.
Never do that.
What's going on with Derek Carr? Hopefully he'll be okay.
I'll be back.
So 1:51 left. We have a field goal. We're not getting skunked.
I know.
Shut out. We're going to try and run that Chiefs play.
Bogut.
The Vikings.
Yeah, that's what I mean. He is bogus to start.
But they know that's one of our money plays. So 3rd and 10. Isaiah's running up the middle. Ponder sees him. Ponder hits him with a nice catch. Isaiah's going to hold on to it finally, getting a great reception. Ponder's 2 for 2 for 24 yards. Ponder again looking for Isaiah. Hits him across the middle, and we finally almost to a first down. 9 yards in that play. So Ponder, despite our reservations, it's looking pretty solid. Here we're getting a halfback screen. We've got some blocks, but they're not out far enough in front of us. We've got 4 seconds left. We have to score here. Isaiah gets a nice little catch. He goes in, and Isaiah is going to score a receiving touchdown. So we do end up losing a lot to very little. We finally get to the board with Isaiah scoring. The final score is 42-10. But that's really, really embarrassing. And to add injury to insult, we lose Derek Carr. I don't know how he's walking around.
Ow.
We found out from the injuries that Derek Carr has a herniated disc. And it looks like he's going to be out for an extended period of time. So it looks like Joseph is telling him, hope you feel better. But look at these stats.
We'll power your next video.
Destroyed us. 332 rushing yards. Not all of those were his, but we'll see in a second how many yards he got. Derek Carr with a horrible QB rating, 10 for 19, 86 yards, no TDs, no picks, however. Teddy Bridgewater only threw 9 passes all game, but 302 rushing yards. I think he broke the rushing record. I don't know what to say to that. So we get destroyed by the Minnesota Vikings. Derek Carr gets injured. It's not looking good for us. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Plus 16 for more videos.
Put in What you want me to do next in the comments?
Welcome back to Isaiah King's Madden NFL 16 running back career mode, and that's right, we skipped ahead a few weeks, and somehow we didn't win, we didn't lose, we tied the Chiefs in the simulation. And don't worry, we're still first place in our division. You can look at last week's Players of the Week, and you see that no Raider actually got any nominations there, but you know what, I'm okay with that, because right now, we're killing it, we're 10-2-1. Of course, we have that tie, but the Raiders already, we're trying to win this division, we're trying to get into the playoffs. Because I feel like that's where Isaiah can really shine and become a household name. There's a good look at the playoff picture in the AFC. You don't feel Raiders for whatever reason, but it's fine. Isaiah's dapping at his teammates, checking their helmets, checking their pads before the game, because I feel like he's going to have a good game. There's a quick look at his kick.
Stop talking about Isaiah, bro.
There, but it's all right. He kicked it out of the end zone. And if you remember from last week,
that's nasty.
that's right. Derek Carr had a herniated disc. He's out for multiple weeks, and at this point, after the simulation, it's about 1 or 2 more weeks of getting back on the field. And until then, we're dealing with your boy Christian Ponder. That's right.